Say the pattern of my people. That will work better.
No, Mr.
The nation.
No, watch it, Boria, 1 second, please, 1 second, please, Boria, 1 second, let everyone come in. Mr. Jung wanted to come in. Want everyone in,
Can I ask
please.
him a question?
Who's asking the question? Mr. Jung, go ahead.
The moral fabric, Mr. Jung, if the moral fabric of the council is at stake over here, and if the boss is wrong, why don't you resign and get the rest of the governing council to resign? Why are you running after Srinivasan resigning? Why don't you all resign?
You see,
I mean, what is going on? For heaven's sake? Why do you want to be part of something which is not right? Why? I mean, is there something there? Sorry.
I just made a, I think I just answered that question.
No, you didn't answer the question, Mr.
Sorry,
Shirke.
I didn't get the answer, Mr. Shirke.
You didn't answer the question.
I said that I am watching the situation evolve, and I will not hesitate to take any steps that are necessary to protect the long-term interests of the board and my integrity.
Is resigning one of those options? Is resigning one of those options?
Can I?
No, I need not discuss what those steps are on a TV show. Okay.
I appreciate that. My right to ask you a question, your right to say I don't need to answer it right now. I think Atul Vasan wants to come into the debate. Yes, Atul.
Because otherwise you may.
I think just generally, I'm totally in agreement with Mr. Shirke where. Please, I'm totally against, using strong words when I say burn it down. This is exactly what I meant, hoodlums and all that. This is not the way, because there are nice people with credibility in the board as well. But the whole, institution is taking a hit. I think this culture of fear and gratification has to change. And then you will see the players coming to the fore.
Atul.
You're guilty by association. My point is that, this fear, our main issue is why aren't the players coming forward?
A question to you.
Am I right when I say that we are feeling that why aren't more voices? The people who remember the icons are not, associating themselves with this thing now, because people would like to hear them. And why is happening? Because the culture of gratification, of hounding people out, of taking revenge, that has to go. And that is, I think, there are some good people in the board who can do that. And over a period of time.
But I just want to. I know one.
Can I just ask
1 second? Can I get a couple of questions to Mr. Shirke with your permission, Boria, and with the permission of all our panelists? I want to ask a couple of questions to Mr. Shirke. I don't want this moment where I feel personally that Mr. Shirke, you need not feel hurt because you've come on Newshour. You are on the Newshour out of your choice, and I am saying this to you, Mr. Shirke, I respect you for it. I respect you for coming on the Newshour. I would have respected Srinivasan more if he had come on the Newshour and taken my questions with the same courage that you have reflected. I just feel, Mr. Shirke, you are not sharing with me and the viewers the predicament that is on your mind. You are one of the biggest names in the BCCI. You are not sharing.
Well, I don't want to take credit for being the biggest name, but I am facing a lot of turmoil, and I am personally facing a lot of concerns, and I am a very conscientious fellow, and I really don't care about my position or what my future in the board is. And as I said, I'm watching the evolving situation, and I will not hesitate to take any steps that are necessary. I have made that very, very clear.
Mr. Shirke, what is the predicament?
But that doesn't mean that the rest of the board has to agree with me.
No. Watch it. This is me asking you. No. This is me asking for what.
The board as a whole may decide whatever.
What is your predicament?
No, that the credibility of the board is hit.
Because Srinivasan is not resigning?
Is hit to the extent that people are taking the liberty of calling any people hoodlums. And I mean, why do I need this? I don't need this. As I mentioned to you on my private conversation with you, I am much happier, doing something else than doing a thankless job and being called a hoodlum.
First of all,
very honest and very good effort to run my treasury as in the best possible way that I ever can.
First of all, Mr. Shirke, I don't think anyone called you a hoodlum. I don't believe in any broad generalizations. I am asking simply you that
well, they referred to people running generally. They didn't specifically call
I
you,
think
but
a
they're
lot of
just making
responses, a
perception
lot
in
of the
public that
responses, because
everybody
like
seems to
Sohail
be a
said
hoodlum.
that. No, but I'm sure you'll respond. A lot of the responses today are simply responses of anger. They're responses of anger because of what Srinivasan is doing.
I appreciate that, and I do accept that they are venting out an anger, and that is what concerns me, Arnab. That is what concerns me.
Can I ask
No,
a question?
now
Can I ask a question to Mr. Shirke? One question to Mr. Shirke.
I need to ask him something.
May I ask a question to Mr. Shirke?
Mr. Jung wants to come in. I have 5 more minutes. Briefly, Boria, and then Mr. Jung.
Mr. Shirke,
Shirke,
you are in a position of power. What you've said sums it up quite nicely. But don't you feel the powerless ordinary cricket fan who is sitting there, who spent his money watching the IPL, is looking up to you today on NewsHour and asking you this question? Ajay Shirke is suffering. I am suffering as well. The cricket fan is suffering. But what will happen? Will something happen? Will you make it happen? Will you all make it happen in the board?
I think that question has been put to him, I think, a couple of times.
I am a great believer. I am a great believer. I am a great believer in good. I am a great believer in good, and I think people have to continue working with their own principles.
I think,
and
I got your point. Now, Boria, you asked your question. I think you got the answer there. Mr. Shirke, I got the. I don't want to stretch a point. Mr. Jung is coming in. Diana Adalji has represented Indian cricket for a long time on the field. She's on the phone line right now. Let's get others a chance. Yes, Diana, what would you like to say? And would you like to say something to Mr. Shirke himself or to the BCCI through Mr. Shirke?
Yes, Arnab, thank you very much for having me. I've been listening to Mr. Shirke for a long, long time. I appreciate his concern, but he must realize that just getting upset with people calling him names, it's not only him. It is people, us also, who are former cricketers, who have played for this country for 20 years. And I am really upset with what is happening. I know women cricketers have been taken for a rough ride by Mr. Srinivasan, and we have been trying our level best to get women's cricket recognized in BCCI, but it is not getting recognized because of this one gentleman. And now I think the men cricketers are facing the same flag. I think it is high time this man resigns because the board is now in deep turmoil. I have been speaking to a number of people. I know what is happening inside the board too. And I am really upset because cricket is a lovely game. Whether the men play it, you all call it the gentleman's game, but the ladies are also playing it. And please, 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 this is the time for cleaning up. Let us, before the monsoons come, so that the dust can be settled completely, we must. I'm happy that the Delhi police and the Bombay police and the Chennai police, whichever police forces have come in, because this problem would never have been solved by BCCI if it was on their.
I think your point is taken, Mr. Diana Adalji. One second. Couple of points here. Krishna Swamy wants to come in. Mr. Jung, coming to you. Sohail, I'm just coming back to you. You see, I think writing is on the wall. Mr. Shirke also has realized that you can push it up to a point, but he's not the villain here. So, Krishna Swamy, accepting that point, Krishna Swamy, your quick point here. How do you see this ending?
Absolutely, I accept it. I totally appreciate Mr. Ajay Shirke coming onto the media, talking to the media, taking the questions. Absolutely. I think he's probably the bravest of the 31 guys who go in for a vote inside that room.
Absolutely.
Hats off to you, Mr. Shirke. It is not a personal comment. It is a comment that Indian cricket, Indian cricket needs to be clean. And I think you got a chance, you've got an opportunity, you've got something in your hand that you can actually change things with. You could probably do a service which many of the cricketing officials have not been able to do for so long. You are a perturbed man, you've admitted. You are a man with conscience, you've admitted. We agree with you. But even if you can't do it on a channel, at least can you get people around you to collect together and see that the Cleaning Up Act can at least begin now. Yeah. You have to get this man out. You have to start cleaning cricket. There is far too much riding on it in terms of money, in terms of emotion, in terms of what we all love. Please.
But last word to Sohail, as I come to your question is, Srinivasan tries to hide behind semantics. I don't think everybody in Indian cricket can. Yes, Sohail, closing comments on this. And
Mr. Shirke, I'll leave you with one thought. Sometimes the darkness of a forest can be eliminated by the weakest flicker of a candle. You are that candle. You are that hope. given by what you've just said on the program, it only takes one human being to step out and show the way. Show the way, because this time, and there will be no other time like this, you will do two great services to the country. You will restore the faith of India in cricket, but more importantly, you will restore the faith of every Indian in decency. Take this up, and I promise you, every right-minded Indian, like we all are, will be there to support you and to validate the human nature of your being.
I just want one follow-up on this, Mr. Shirke. If you were in Srinivasan's position, would you resign?
Excellent question.
Well, this question has been asked to me, and the simple answer is that if, in looking at the interests of the board, I would definitely consider the option of staying away from an inquiry had I been in that position.
Not staying away from an inquiry. Resign.
Resign.
Step aside.
I mean,
not from the inquiry. Step aside as BCCI president.
Stepping down till the process.
Stepping down as BCCI president till the process is over. Stepping down as BCCI president till the process is over. Well, a lot of claps coming from you. I'm telling you, Mr. Shirke.
Yes.
Here's a BCCI.
That would actually be a fitting tribute to Mr. Srinivasan's contribution to cricket, because one cannot undermine that. He has done a lot, and he clearly would come out a winner in that, and I think that would be the best thing that would have happened.
Well, you've said it there. You've said it there, Mr. Shirke, and I think Atul Wasan. I mean, there's a round of applause going for you. And I don't know in how many hearts and how many homes across this country this round of applause. Even Atul Wasan, who has accused me of trying to set everything on fire, is giving you a salute tonight on camera. Mr. Shirke, I don't know. Maybe one day you will look back upon this interview and you will say that this is a great contribution that you've made. It's difficult to stick your neck out. This country wants people who stick their neck out. Sohail, you want the last word. You want the last word. 10 seconds to you, and then we wrap this up. Yes.
Not mine.
Not yours.
Salman Khan's father, Salim Saab, once said, he says, आदमी चट्टानों की ऊंचाई से गिर के अपने आप को संभाल सकता है, पर अपनी आंखों में गिर के कभी नहीं संभल सकता. Which means I can fall from the highest mountains and I can regain my balance. But if I fall in my own esteem, I never will.
Well,
I hope these words resonate with some men and women who run cricket in India.
I hope they do. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining me.
We have hope.
We do. Yes, Boria, we do. Thank you for joining me on the News Hour debate. To all my panelists, thank you very much.